Why do 9 out of 10 kids scream with joy at the sight of chocolate? Let's unwrap the sweet story of how chocolate conquered the world. Over 3,000 years ago, deep in the lush rainforests, the ancient Mayans and Aztecs discovered something incredible: cacao. They ground up these precious beans and mixed them with water to create a special bitter drink. Imagine that. No sugar, no milk, just pure, rich cacao. Fast forward to the 1500s, when adventurous Spanish explorers brought this mysterious drink back to Europe. But, oh, how things changed. The Europeans added sugar and honey, transforming it into a sweet luxury that only the richest could sip. Then, in the splendid 1800s, a brilliant invention changed everything. The first solid chocolate bar was born. Now everyone could enjoy the rich taste of chocolate, not just the fancy folks in their fancy houses. Today, from creamy milk chocolate to dark and daring varieties, chocolate has travelled far and wide, winning hearts and tickling taste buds across the globe. So, next time you unwrap your favourite chocolate bar, remember, you're enjoying a treat that's been thousands of years in the making.